Hey, I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're going to be talking about if CBD gets you high. The short answer is no, it does not. You can consume a large amount of CBD and you are never going to feel high. Now, you may feel something, but it's not going to be high. The way I explain the effects of CBD, if you do feel them, meaning you take a high potency CBD product, is you're going to feel sort of light on your feet, maybe a little body buzz, maybe a little head buzz. It's a very enjoyable, nice, pleasant experience. It's not actually like a head change per se, but you definitely do feel better when consuming CBD. Now, if you go online, there are a lot of people making medical statements or medical claims on how CBD can help you cure this health ailment or help you with this. The reality is CBD is not yet approved by the FDA. So by law, no company, no brand, nobody should be making any sort of medical claims or statements regarding CBD. What we can say is if you take CBD, it may help you relax. What we cannot say is taking CBD will cure you of your disease, because we have simply no solid, we'll call it reputable data on that. While there have been a decent amount of studies done on the beneficial effects of CBD, until the FDA actually sort of regulates and approves CBD, no company is able to make any sort of health claim or benefit. So if you're new to CBD and you want to try some out, there's a few things to be cautious or wary of. A 5, 10, 50 milligram product, not going to do anything. If you truly want to get the benefits of CBD, you should be taking at a minimum maybe 50 milligrams a day, depending on your weight, but most likely closer to 100 to 150 milligrams a day. If you're someone who's going to be constantly using CBD, maybe you're a bit bigger, maybe you're consuming 300 to 500 milligrams a day. There's no real, I'm going to call it, negative effects of taking CBD. If you do take too much, like significantly too much, I believe it can have sort of a negative impact on either your liver or your kidney. But overall, you really can't overdose on CBD, and you're definitely not going to get high from CBD. Try some out today. If you want to try a CBD vape out or maybe some amazing edibles, head over to cleanafcbd.com. It's one of the brands that we own and manage that we released in 2019. We actually came out with the world's first CBD puff bar style device. And if you head over there today and make a purchase, enter code CBDHigh at checkout for 20% off your order. Now, if you have any questions at all regarding CBD, vaping, cannabis, anything, please let us know. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.